Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 24th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're starting on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I mean, technically, just based on structure, the trend is still down because we haven't broken the weekly structure, but we did break the daily structure down. Based on my Elliott wave count, though, I do think there's still a good possibility that this could just keep going up for wave C. So we do need to be very, very cautious with any counter trend analysis on sort of time frames because when I do look at like the 1 hour time frame and down, it does make me think that possibly we could be getting ready for a bigger push down. So I do have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here because this could be one down, three up, one down. So if you do get another fib bounce, just keep in mind that the trend easily could continue. On the other hand, if it goes down and breaks this 4 hour time frame structure, that's going to tell me to stop looking for logs and start looking for shorts again. And if it does break to the downside on the sort of time frames, keep in mind that the daily and weekly is down also, which means that if it does break down, it could possibly just keep on trending down, making lower lows and lower highs. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.